A football match. Last Friday, my brother took me to see a football match. It was played at National Stadium. We reached the stadium on our two-wheeler scooter. We parked the scooter and bought 2 tickets and then entered the stadium. The match was between a local team and visiting German team. The stadium was full to capacity. It was a cool and bright afternoon. The tall and sturdy players looked very smart in their dresses. Soon the match began. It proved to be an exciting match. The Germans played fast and scored the first goal in the 15th minute. The local team struggled hard, began again after the half-time. In the 5th minute, the Germans scored another goal. Their shooting and teamwork were excellent. In the second half, the Germans showed their best. The local team tried hard but could not match the visitors. It became a one-sided game. They proved far superior. The Germans won the match by 4 goals to 1. It was a thrilling experience. I shall never forget this experience.